Welcome to the Prophet's Mosque, one of the holiest and most beautiful sites in Islam. This is where the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, established the first Muslim community, taught the Quran, and led the prayers. This is also where he rests, along with his closest companions, Abu Bakr and Umar. The Prophet's Mosque, in Arabic, Al-Masjid and Nabawi, is the second holiest mosque and site in Islam, after the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca. It was built by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in 622 CE after his migration from Mecca to Medina. It was originally a simple structure, made of raw brick, that opened on an enclosed courtyard where people gathered to hear him. The mosque served as a community center, a court of law, and a religious school. It contained a raised platform or pulpit, called minbar, for the people who taught the Quran and for the Prophet Muhammad to give the Friday sermon. The mosque also contains the final resting place of the Prophet Muhammad and the first two Rashidun caliphs Abu Bakr and Umar, may Allah be pleased with them. One of the most notable features of the site is the green dome in the southeast corner of the mosque, originally Aisha's house, where the tomb of the Prophet Muhammad is located. The mosque has undergone several expansions and renovations throughout history, making it one of the largest mosques in the world today. The first expansion was done by the Umayyad Caliph Al-Walid I in 706 CE, who demolished the original brick buildings and created a new mosque on the site. The most recent expansion was completed in 2019, which increased the mosque's capacity to accommodate more than 1 million worshippers. The Prophet's Mosque is a symbol of the Islamic faith and history, and a place of pilgrimage and devotion for Muslims. It is also a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, reflecting the styles and influences of different periods and regions. The Prophet's Mosque is a marvel of Islamic architecture, blending history and spirituality with elegance and grace. The mosque has been expanded and renovated over the centuries, but it still preserves the original simplicity and serenity of the Prophet's time. The mosque can accommodate over 1 million worshippers, who come from all over the world to pray, learn, and seek blessings. As you fly over the mosque, you can see the distinctive green dome that marks the location of the Prophet's tomb. This is the most sacred and revered part of the mosque, where millions of Muslims send their salutations and greetings to the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. The green dome was added in the 13th century by the Mamluk Sultan Al-Mansur Qalawun, and it has become a symbol of Medina and Islam. The mosque also features 10 minarets, each with a unique design and history. The tallest and oldest minaret is the Quba minaret, which was built by the Umayyad Caliph Al-Walid I in the 8th century. The Quba minaret is named after the Quba Mosque, the first mosque built by the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, when he migrated to Medina. The other minarets were added by various rulers and dynasties, such as the Ottomans, the Saudis, and the Mamluks. The mosque is surrounded by a spacious courtyard, which is paved with white marble and adorned with umbrellas, fountains, and gardens. The courtyard is also known as the Rawda, which means a garden of paradise. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said that the space between his house and his pulpit is one of the gardens of paradise, and whoever prays there will receive mercy and forgiveness. The Rawda is distinguished by its green carpet and floral motifs, and it is the most sought-after area for prayer in the mosque. The Prophet's Mosque is not only a place of worship, but also a place of knowledge and culture. The mosque has a library, a museum, and a conference hall, where scholars, visitors, and dignitaries can access the rich heritage and legacy of Islam. The mosque also hosts various events and activities, such as lectures, seminars, exhibitions, and festivals, to promote Islamic values and teachings. The Prophet's Mosque is a testament to the love and devotion that Muslims have for the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, who is the best example and guide for humanity. The mosque is a source of inspiration and peace for all who visit it, and it invites us to reflect on the message and mission of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, who said, "I have been sent to perfect good character." May Allah bless the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and his family and companions, and may he grant us the opportunity to visit his mosque and follow his sunnah. Ameen.